Hey guys, today is part 2 on how to make a story game. So first you want to publish your game. Then go to Starter Player, go into Starter Character Scripts and go into Died Event and go to line 16. Change the numbers 4926768242 to another game ID. After, go to line 39 and delete numbers 1061631023 and configure your game on Roblox and make a developer product. Copy the ID of it and paste it in the same line where we deleted the numbers. Make sure there is a space before the numbers on line 39. Play your game and die. Then the GUI will come up. To edit the GUI, go to Start a GUI, Screen GUI, Tide and turn it visible.